Hello dear students, hello dear learners. So our today's topic is indefinite pronouns. So let's get started.
6. Indefinite pronouns. Page 34. Listen and repeat. Then act out.
Mum, there's something running on the bathroom floor that hasn't got any legs.
What are you talking about? Nothing can run without legs.
What about water?
Okay, we have done it. So let's take a look. Sorry. So let's take a look at the grammar. So we know that indefinite pronouns have about the people, things, or places. For example, if we talk about the people, in positive form, we need to use someone, somebody, something, somewhere. In interrogative form, we need to use anyone, anybody, anything, and anywhere. In negative form, we need to use no one, not anyone, nobody, not anybody, nothing, or not anything, nowhere, or not anywhere. Deməli, biz bilirik ki, deməli, əvəzliklərdə burada insanlar, əşyalar və yer adı ilə bağlı ola bilər. Və bunlarda someone kimsə, nəsə, harasa, hansısa, heç kəs, heç nə, heç yerdə və s. belə formada olur. The compound someone and anyone and etc. follows the same rules as any and some. Biz əvvəlki qaydalarda keçdiyimiz kimi samla eyni də, yəni inkar cümlələrində inkar və sual cümlələrində eyni işlənirdi. Pozitiv formada isə, yəni təsdiq cümlələrində isə sam işlənirdi. Is there anybody in the kitchen? Yes, there is somebody in the kitchen, but there is nobody in the bedroom and there is not anybody in the living room either. Deməli, bunu qeyd elədim. Sonra gəlin keçək bu tapşırığa. Look at the picture and choose the correct word to fill in the gaps. What can you see? I can see someone at the floor. At the door, but there is no one at the window. What can you see now? I can see not nobody. I can see nobody on the table. I can see something on the table, but there isn't nobody, but there isn't anybody. Deməli bizdə burada isn't, yəni inkar olduğuna görə biz orada eyninə olan formanı işlətməliyik. I can see on the table, but there isn't anybody on the chair. Yəni something, anything. Buna əsasən deyirik. Burada qeyd olunurdu. Okay, onda gəlin başdan baxaq. What can you see? I can see someone at the door, but there is no one at the window. What can you see now? I can see something on the table, but there isn't anything on the chair. Can you see my keys anywhere? No, I can't. They are nowhere in the kitchen. Deməli cavablara da buradan baxa bilərsiniz. Okay, keçək növbətiyə. Choose a correct item. Is there anyone new in your class? I don't want to go anywhere this weekend. I am thirsty. I want something to drink. Can you see my pen anywhere? Look, there is nothing in the bag. It's empty. Put this money somewhere safe. Don't lose it. The house is empty. There is no one here. I'm hungry, but there isn't anything to eat. Okay, so you can see the right answers here. So let's check the next one. Fill in the gaps with someone, no one, something, nothing, nowhere, or somewhere. I don't like living in the city. It is crowded and busy. Oh, I know, there is nowhere to park. I am thirsty. Would you like something to drink? I want to go somewhere warm for my holidays. Me too. Oh no, we are lost. Don't worry, we can ask someone for help. The library is quiet today. That's because there is no one else here. I'm so bored. There is nothing to do. Well, we can go to the cinema. Okay, you can also look at the answers here. So, the next exercise, read a telephone conversation between Frank and his mom. Then fill in the gaps with something, nothing, or anything. Hello, Frank. Where are you? I need your help. I can't find my glasses anywhere and I can't see anything. I am at the library, Mom. I can do something to help you right now. I can't do anything to help you right now. Try looking in the kitchen. You usually spend lots of time there. Okay, oh wait, I can feel something on the table. Never mind, it's just an apple. What about the cooker? No, there is nothing on the cooker, but there is something on the chair. Are they there? No, it's only Rex sleeping. Wait, I can feel something on my head. Well, don't tell me your glasses are on your head. Yes, they are. How silly of me. Oh, Mom. So you can also check the right answers from here. Okay, so let's take a look at the last one. So fill in the gaps with no one, somewhere, anywhere, anything, or nothing. Hi, Juan. Are you doing anything today? I'm so bored and there is no one at home. My parents are at my grandparents' house and my sister is at the mall. I'm all alone and there is nothing to do here. I really want to go somewhere. Would you like to hang out? We can go to the cinema or something else you like. Somewhere else you like. Well, I hope you get this email soon. Give me a call as soon as you can, Rose. So you can see the right answers here. And this was the last one from Unit 6. See you on the next video.